If you really aren't a salad person, I have 2 low-carb, high-protein salad recipes that don't suck. They're going to keep you full, plus you don't even need a head of lettuce for these. The first is a Thai chicken salad that packs a lot of crunch and a lot of protein. In fact, it has 35 grams of protein per serving. Start by adding a cup of frozen cauliflower to a dry skillet heated over medium heat, and then let that cook while stirring occasionally until all of the moisture is cooked out of the cauliflower. The trick to making cauliflower rice that is fluffy and tastes less, well, like cauliflower in a gym sock is to cook it in a dry skillet until all of the moisture is cooked out of the cauliflower. Then you remove it from the heat and add it to a bowl to cool. Instead of using lettuce, we're using cabbage. You'll need around a quarter head of purple cabbage, and either using a sharp knife or a mandolin slicer, slice the cabbage into thin strips. And then you're also going to need to do the same to a quarter of a head of green cabbage. But if you want to use my time-saving hack, just grab a bag of coleslaw mix from the grocery store. It has the same ingredients. Just don't use the dressing though that comes with it, if one comes with it. Add both the purple and green cabbages to the bowl with the rice, and then sprinkle in around a quarter cup of shredded carrots. And if you're using the bag coleslaw mix, just omit this step because yours probably already has carrots in it. Next, slice up either a quarter of an English cucumber or half of a regular cucumber. An English cucumber has a little bit less seeds than a regular one, and it's also larger or longer, which is why I said to use a quarter of it. For some protein and crunch, add in half a cup of shelled edamame. This adds 8 grams of protein for the entire salad, and it's low in carbs. I think there's around 5 net carbs. For more protein, add in 2 cups of cooked shredded chicken, and I like to get this at the deli counter just so I don't have to cook it up myself. Then we're going to add in some sliced green onion. For delicious dressing with some Thai-inspired flavors, add in a quarter cup of no sugar added creamy peanut butter, 2 tablespoons of soy sauce, or you can use liquid aminos or tamari or probably coconut aminos, 2 tablespoons of lime juice, 1 tablespoon of sesame oil, a teaspoon of sugar-free sweetener, and a quarter teaspoon each of ground ginger and garlic powder. Give that a whisk and drizzle this all over the salad, then toss it all together. This does make around 2 or 3 servings depending on how much you eat, so you may only want to use part of the dressing with some of the salad if you plan on eating the salad later. That way it won't get soggy from sitting out and soaking in the dressing. But if you did accidentally add all the dressing because you weren't thinking and you were tired like I did the last time I made this, well, you might need a glass of electrolytes because maybe the source of your fatigue and brain fog might be because you're dehydrated. I mean, chopping up all that cabbage alone made me work up a sweat. So you know I needed this. And Element Electrolytes has a science-backed formula of 1,000 milligrams of sodium, 200 milligrams of potassium, and 60 milligrams of magnesium. Plus, it comes in a wide range of flavors like orange, citrus, watermelon, grapefruit. They even have chocolate salt, which makes a really good hot chocolate. And all of their salts are sugar-free with no crazy ingredients. Right now, Element is offering my viewers a free sample pack with any drink mix purchase. It's a great way to try some of their flavors, so get your free sample pack with the drink mix purchase at drinkelement.com/ketofocus. My next salad recipe is this deliciously colorful, crunchy chicken and broccoli salad. It's really simple to make, and all these ingredients you probably actually already have on hand. Starting with the dressing, you'll need 3/4 cup each of mayo and plain Greek yogurt, or you could use a low-carb yogurt of your choice. If you're using Greek yogurt, you're adding around 18 to 20 grams of protein to this dish. That's why I like to use it. 3 cloves of garlic minced, salt and pepper, which is a half a teaspoon each, and then the juice from a half of a lemon, which is around a tablespoon. That gets mixed together until it's creamy. In a large bowl, I have about a pound of cooked and chopped chicken breast, which was from around 2 medium-sized chicken breasts. Then 3 cups of chopped broccoli, and then for more color and crunch, add in a 1/4 cup of red onion and a diced bell pepper. All that's left to do is just drizzle on that creamy protein-packed dressing. Give it a stir and divide it into portions to enjoy now or later. But if you want a salad to bring to a potluck that is so good that everyone wants the recipe, just click right here because I share my secret.